Hi everyone, my name is Phil Cannato, implementation consultant with ProSymmetry. In this video, we'll look at how to deactivate a resource in Tempus. So part of the resource management process is, of course, we have resources that are going to come and go. So whether somebody is leaving our team, leaving the organization altogether, or even the dreaded termination for cause, this is going to leave us with the task of needing to deactivate them as they will no longer be part of our resource pool. So in order to accomplish this, we're going to recommend 3 simple steps. We're going to remove the feature allocations assigned to the resource. We're going to establish a capacity end date, and then we're going to disable the resource record itself. So for this exercise, I've just received some big news that my longtime colleague, Warren, has taken a position within another department. So he's no longer be part of my resource pool. So I need to go through and deactivate his record. So just looking at the assignments down here, I can see Warren's assigned to quite a few things. The first thing I'll need to do is remove these allocations effective as of, and let's say 9/30 of 2023 will be the date of his new position. So anything October 1st, 2023, we want to clear that out. So there's several methods to do this. Other videos will talk to you about our resource replacement functionality, resource replace advanced, or you could simply just zero out all of his feature allocations. But in this case, for simplicity purposes, I'm going to use the global replace option here within resource management. The reason that I'm able to use this is because we have specifically hired another individual to take over Warren's workload, and that will be Audrey. So Audrey is replacing Warren. I'm going to go ahead and hit save here, and then I'm going to save the record. And then when we come back to this capacity tab, we're going to see that effective as of 9/30 here, all of those resource assignments have been moved on to Audrey. The next thing that we're going to do is establish a capacity end date here. So I'm going to use that date of the new position. We're going to say 9/30, 2023. I'm going to go ahead and save this. So in all the grid views from this point, when we're looking at things such as the net availability, we're going to have visualizations of a gray bar indicating that Warren has no capacity and will not be able to take assignments. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to deactivate the resource record itself. So out here in user identity, I'm going to go to this option here which says is enabled, and I'm going to go ahead and switch that to off. So once I hit save, I'm going to go out to my resource listing. And when I see Warren appear here, I see the font has changed, giving me a clear visualization that Warren is a resource that has been deactivated. Please visit our help center for additional information or contact your customer success manager. Thanks for watching.